This is how I refresh my Beyefa Zuri Afro Wig, your go-to for effortlessly bold natural coils. Look at that volume and texture. Today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to style this beauty, giving you a flawless natural look. Let's get started. First, I'm prepping the wig using my do-it-yourself mix, leaving conditioner and water in a spray bottle. This is key to keeping your coils hydrated and looking fresh. Simply spray it evenly throughout the hair and don't be afraid to get in there. Fluff the coils to give them that extra bounce and volume we all love. You can also use a pair of scissors to trim any excess for a more defined shape. See how easy it is? It instantly brings those coils back to life. Well, here's the final look. So, I paired my Zuri Afro with today's outfit, a chic 2-piece pink short set and a nude bag. To top it off, I styled it with a scarf for that extra touch of glam. So see you guys till next time.